Hello, it's Thursday the 11th. I'm FX Blue and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. The headlines today are that sterling is higher as Barnier says the deal is 80 to 85% agreed. The dollar falls as the equity markets drop, and the euro is higher as the Italians calm the market. So Michel Barnier commented that the deal is 80 to 85% done. Sterling took a lead from his comments and cable broke 132 for the first time in 2 weeks. The rally still appears to be fragile though, but there is growing expectations of an announcement, and that will allow the deal to be discussed at the EU summit to be held sometime in November. Data from manufacturing, industrial and construction activity all confirm that the UK economy is performing, but at a rather slow pace. And Bank of England chief economist Andy Haldane suggested that further rate hikes may be on the cards, commenting that a new dawn of wage growth is on the horizon after years of stagnation. Of course, as with everything at the moment, this came with a heavy Brexit disclaimer, but there is a little positivity growing around both the pound and the UK economy. Meanwhile, the dollar rally ran out of steam yesterday. The dollar index dropped to 95.20 and the Dow Jones fell 3% on the day. The recent dollar rally is likely now to be overshadowed by the fast approaching midterm elections. It's difficult to get a good steer on voter intention given the complicated nature of the voting procedure. But friend of the channel, Transatlantic Sally, says the Dems are going to win back the Senate and the House, explaining that those dimwits voted him in based on rhetoric rather than action. Thanks, Sally. We'll see how that goes. A bad outcome for the Republicans, though, may well see the dollar fall amidst the potential impeachment proceedings that could follow. But regardless of the result, one can expect volatility on the dollar around early November. Italian politics helped drive the euro higher into a weakening dollar yesterday, and we saw 115.75 as the market was encouraged by the Italian finance minister explaining that he will do everything in his power to calm the market nerves over the Italian budget. When the Italian Prime Minister has already suggested that he doesn't really feel bound or tied by the agreements made by his predecessors, the EU is naturally a little concerned over the what-if scenario where flouting the agreements could spread to other member states. So there's certainly relief that Tira appears to have taken on the role of the peacemaker. Have a great day. We'll talk again tomorrow.